Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to sign into TikTok. So if you want to log into your TikTok account, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to click on this login button on the bottom. And once you will do it right here, you have to select any option. If you have created your account with the phone, email or username, you can simply click on the first. And if you want to log in with your Facebook, click on the continue with the Facebook. And if you want to continue with Google, you can click on it. And multiple options available here. So let's suppose if you have created account with phone or email, select this one. And right here you have to enter the email with whom your TikTok account is connected. Once you will do it, they will send a code of the 4 digit. You have to enter that code and you will log in to your TikTok account. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.